So today we're going to do a bolt handle upgrade on a CZ 527. Go ahead and take this mag out. There is nothing. This is just a action. So to get your bolt out, just press this button right here. Bolt will come out. Now to remove the bolt handle, give this just about a quarter turn twist. You may have to play with it a little bit. Bolt handle will come right out. This is the Glades Armory angled oversized bolt handle for the CZ 527. It'll give you a little bit better clearance with your scopes. To install that, you just make sure that everything is lined up in there. Slide that in there until it sits flush, and then you simply turn this back the quarter turn, and there you have the bolt handle installed. Slide it right back in. And that's how you put a upgraded bolt handle on a CZ 527.